How awesome it would be if we had a file that contains normally used functions so we can use them whenever we want. Just include the file in your program and use its functions. Oh wait. We have been using a lot of functions until now which we never wrote. How? Header files are files containing functions and macro definitions that can be used across the programs. We already know how to include header files in C. We use a preprocessor directive #include to include header files in C. #include followed by the name of header file enclosed within. Header files in C end with a H extension. Until now we have used printf and scanf a lot. Can you guess where they come from? They are already defined in some header file, that's why we can use them directly. Printf and scanf are defined in studio.h header file. So, to use printf and scanf we must first include studio.h header file. These header files are processed before the program is compiled. So, we have all the functions available before we use them in the program. Fun fact, we can also write our own header files. Header files are always included globally. There are tons of header files in C specifically written for different purposes. Let's explore a few of them. Studio.h is a header file which contains definitions of input/output operations. So, scanf which is used to take input and printf which is used for output are declared in studio.h header file. Remember when we performed string operations, we used a lot of string functions like strcpy, strlen, etc. These all functions are declared in string.h header files. stlib.h is another header file in C. stlib.h header file contains memory management utilities and string conversion functions. We will be using stlib.h header file when we learn memory manipulation in C. math.h is a header file which contains mathematical functions which can be directly used to perform numerous operations. It contains functions to find the square root of a number, log of the number, compute the absolute value of a number, perform trigonometric operations, etc. Everything you need. There's another interesting header file which is time.h. Time.h header file contains functions to perform operations on time. We can return the current time, find out the difference between times, perform conversions between different time formats, etc. Header files make our life easy. I wonder how time-consuming it would be to write all these things from ground up and perform operations using them. Ugh. Header files are files containing functions and macro definitions that can be used across the programs. These files have a H extension and they are included globally. #include is used to include the header file in the program. Studio.h, stlib.h, string.h, math.h, time.h are few of many header files provided by C.